War Day number 497. Hello everyone. Yes, today it's 497 days ago. The war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. We have here in this daily newspaper three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. In this newspaper, we have here an additional. Yesterday we have no additional on Independence Day, but today we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. Well, Sudoku with 0 stars, and this one also with 0 stars, but this one has 24 printed digits. 24, that means it's a 4-star Sudoku. Here the same Sudoku with 4 stars. Well, Wednesday, July the 5th. Yeah. Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, otherwise it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. The first 3 regular puzzles I will solve in the afternoon. In the evening I will do 4 of those puzzles in addition. Let me prepare for the recording here. The binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 6702. Yeah, 6702. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now, between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And let me see. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones. Oh wait. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then. Let me see. Between 2 ones comes an O. Alright, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can mean O. This should be a 1. If I place the 5th O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can mean O. This should be a 1. Alright, double 1, here no, there no. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Then let me see. 3. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Overlooked. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number, oh wait, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Let me see. Between two ones comes an O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. Well. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Alright, then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1 then. Okay, yeah, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Okay, between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box will be an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Finish in 8 minutes. Well. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. The Medium Sudoku and the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.